Are you ready to discover how EZRentOut transforms your equipment tracking, booking, and customer experience through its web store? Find out in this video. To customize and operationalize your web store, head to Store Settings from Company Settings and Add-ons. Once you enable the web store, access it using the provided link and customize using the options below. Choose from pre-built custom themes that match your brand's identity. This is how your web store could look like according to the pre-built theme you select. Rent items, provide order details, and make your About Us page accessible to your customers directly from the web store. You can also categorize your equipment so users can easily find it while browsing through the available equipment. You can assign names to the categories. For example, we categorize equipment as consumables, machinery, and tools and equipment. Customers can click Browse to find the equipment of their choice. This option takes them to the rental catalog where customers can check equipment availability and rent it. To browse all items, regardless of category, customers can click Rent Items on the web store's main page to access the entire rental catalog. Click the Filters icon to filter equipment by name, availability, price, type, and vendor. You can check the availability from the filter and view equipment by rental rate and even vendor. Once your customer applies the filter, they can check out the item using their web store account or as a guest. All they need to do is hit the checkout cart icon, check the invoice, enter coupon details, if any, and rent the equipment. Once they check out the item, the customer's order will be confirmed. The web order will show up on your orders listings page as highlighted. You can make edits to it or simply book and rent it out. This is what your web order looks like in EZRentOut. Check the order's details and that's it. You are ready to use the EZRentOut web store.